Good afternoon. My name is Vatsal Kanojiya. I am from Itarsi, Madhya Pradesh. I have done my master's in thermal engineering in 2023 only. And I came to know about BTM PySpider branch from my friends who have already got jobs in testing domain. So basically, I joined this branch because it is also nearby from the place where I live. Uh, in here, Mahesh's teaching and was very good, and in in-depth Python concept was very much helpful for make us program bug free and very effectively with high time complexity and high space complexity. Uh, Again, about Niranjan sir, his way of teaching is very friendly, and he is also very supportive for us in various time when we got down. And again, the Rudra sir and Imba sir in the presentation session were very helpful by giving us very hard quizzes and questions. This helped us to keep on going on consistent basis to practice our learnings. That helped us to hard ingrain our knowledge inside our brains. Furthermore, at last, I want to thank to PySpider for giving us PySpider HR team for giving us multiple opportunities so that we were able to get placed. So, and finally, I got placed in 360 IT Hub as a junior full stack developer Python. That's basically about. Thank you.